Hi guys, today I want to share with you Ezylif 24SR100N 800 kg capacity Ezylif heavy duty table lifter. In mm, the minimum height is 420 and the max height is 1000 mm. The platform size will be 1000 mm times 510 mm times 55 mm. Product dimension will be 1335 mm times 585 mm times 996 mm. The net weight will be 115 kg. Step on the silver or grey mechanism as a brake. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell if you find this video helps.